We sing for every dream that refused to die.
Walking toward a future nobody could see. The road was long, the sky was wide, but something deep inside refused to hide. Every sunrise carried another promise, every sunset carried another lesson. I learned that hope doesn't arrive like rain, it grows slowly like a mighty tree. The old men spoke beneath ancient branches, the children laughed without counting tomorrow. The women carried whole generations inside songs that never reached the radio. The river never hurried, yet it always found the sea. So why should I fear my own journey? I planted faith long before success knew my name. Even when the wind says you never make it, my soul answers, watch me. When the mountain says you cannot climb, my footsteps answer, I already started. Lift your hands above the clouds, feel the heartbeat of the earth. Every soul was born with purpose, every life was born with worth. Oh, we are the flame, we remain. Storms may bend us, time may test us, but the fire still remembers our name. Higher, 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 higher. Nothing can silence the song inside our hearts. I have seen gold lose its meaning inside the hands of lonely kings. I've watched poor men share their final meal with smiles richer than diamonds. Tell me, who is wealthy? The one who owns the world or the one whose heart belongs to peace? I met fishermen who understood the language of patience, farmers who trusted invisible seasons, mothers who transformed empty kitchens into places full of hope. Every ordinary life is another extraordinary miracle. Stand together, walk together. No road is impossible when thousands walk as one. Cities grow taller every year, but hearts sometimes grow smaller. We chase tomorrow so quickly that we forget to greet today. Children grow into strangers, neighbors become passing faces. Still the moon rises exactly the same, the stars continue their conversations. The wind still remembers that the names of our ancestors. Maybe the world hasn't forgotten us, maybe we've forgotten to listen. Slow down, feel your heartbeat, hear the drums beneath your footsteps. The earth has always been singing, we only stop listening. Raise every voice, raise every dream, raise every child who still believes. No chain lasts forever, no darkness owns the morning. Hope travels farther than fear ever could. Oh, we're still rising, we're still shining. Even if tomorrow hides behind another storm, we'll become the sunrise ourselves. The road became longer, my shoulders became stronger, the nights became colder, my spirit burned hotter. Every disappointment built another staircase, every rejection opened another doorway. People counted my failures, heaven counted my perseverance. Only one other mattered. I learned that greatness rarely announces itself, it arrives quietly, one faithful step at a time.
cities had their lights, before the roads had their names, before the world counted our victories, there were dreams. Dreams carried on tired shoulders, dreams whispered beneath moonlit skies, dreams stronger than hunger, dreams louder than fear. Tonight, we sing for every dream that refused to die. Morning found me where the dust kissed my feet, walking toward a future nobody could see. The road was long, the sky was wide, but something deep inside refused to hide. Every sunrise carried another promise, every sunset carried another lesson. I learned that hope doesn't arrive like rain, it grows slowly like a mighty tree. The old men spoke beneath ancient branches, the children laughed without counting tomorrow. The women carried whole generations inside songs that never reached the radio. The river never hurried, yet it always from the sea. So why should I fear my own journey? I planted faith long before success knew my name. Morning, 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 morning. Morning found me where the dust kissed my feet, walking toward a future nobody could see. The road was long, the sky was wide, but something deep inside refused to hide. Every sunrise carried another promise, every sunset carried another lesson. I learned that hope doesn't arrive like rain, it grows slowly like a mighty tree. The old men spoke beneath ancient branches,